Pop quiz, is buying followers the secret to Insta fame? Answer, no! Question 2, is building a quiz that basically prints qualified leads? Answer, yes. That's icon behavior, baby. Let's do that instead. Welcome to Manychats, where our tiny tutorials help you make big brain moves on social. Step 1, hit up the Qualify with a Quiz template. It's pre-built, plug and play, and it's here because you're probably too busy to build it from scratch. Here's the quick and dirty. Someone DMs you a keyword, we check if they've already played your quiz. If not, we unleash the quiz. If that sounds scary, calm down. It's just 3 questions. Each answer secretly racks up points. Say they select buying followers. Nope, 0 credit. Say they pick posting consistently. Points for Gryffindor. And no, you don't have to set up any math. It's baked into the template. You're welcome. After 3 questions, we see their score. If they bombed it, you give them a pat on the back and a low risk offer. If they crushed it, you roll out the good stuff. Your best offer, your best discount, maybe even a little bit of emotional validation.
I'm so proud of you.
And a special warning alert. Do not skip this part. Before you hit publish, change the questions. I know you weren't planning to leave it on default. Were you? Make it your voice, make it interesting, spicy even. Nobody wants a boring robot quiz. And just like that, the quiz is done. A+ work. If you learned anything today, like one tiny little brain cell smarter, please hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and go ahead and binge the rest of these Manychat playlists. You deserve it. You've been working very hard, but less so now, right?